Public speaking tip of the day. If you want to dramatically improve your public speaking skills, learn how to be a better listener. The best speakers in the world are often the best listeners. They're listening very careful to every single nuance in a question that someone might give them before they speak. They may even change the whole beginning of their speech based on a question that comes up as they're walking up to the front of the room. Listen carefully to what someone says within the speech, after the speech. Constantly be listening to colleagues, other people in your industry, your clients in formal and informal situations. Always be listening for some new way of expressing an idea that even if it's a concept you know in and out thoroughly, you may hear someone who's brand new to the industry explain their way of understanding it in a way you never thought of expressing it that way. You can now use that, and you may even want to quote them when explaining the same concept to someone else new in the industry. So, you want to be a better speaker sometimes? Close your mouth. Open your ears and listen more. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively and how to listen. I'd like to listen to you. If you have questions, comments, post them right here. I'd love to hear from you. You can post it on the Facebook page, YouTube page, or my blog, wherever you're experiencing this video. If you want more information on training, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com and you can get some free books and information about our training programs.